Hey everyone, and welcome back to Repeat After Me, where we work on building your fluency. Now, in the last lesson, lesson number 3, we talked about asking simple questions. And in this lesson, lesson number 4, we're going to talk about answering those simple questions. So, to do this, let's get started and just practice our fluency. Now, the first sentence that we're going to practice will be the answer to one of the other ones, which is I am from, okay? I am from America. So, how do we make this sound better? First of all, I am should always be I'm. Exactly. I'm from America. Okay. I'm from America. Not really a blend, is there? I'm from kind of, we could stretch it, but it's more of a just speed. Be confident. I'm from America. I'm from America. So we could say that maybe. We could blend it with the word where we're from. I'm from America. That one works pretty easy, right? How about I'm from China? Not so much. I'm from China. There's a clear stop there, right? So some countries will blend, okay? And some countries won't. That's completely fine. So let's practice this. I'm from America. I'm from China. I'm from Korea. That's okay. Now, notice we're not going up in tone because we're not asking a question. We are answering. So I'm from America. Done. Boom. Neutral tone, right? We don't want to have any swings. We don't need to. I'm from America. You sound crazy, so we don't want to do that. Sentence number 2. I live in, where do you live, right? Where do you live? I live in Beijing, right? I live in Beijing. I live in China. No, we want that for where are you from, right? I live in a city's name. I live in Portland. I live in Seoul. Okay? Now, how can we blend this? We can't really blend not really. Live in. Ooh, that blends. V-I-N. I live in. I live in. That's it. Repeat after me. I live in. I live in. I live in where? Where do you live? I live in Shenzhen. I live in Osaka. I live in. Okay, perfect. Let's move on to our third sentence, right? Where we answer the question, how old are you? With the answer, I am years old. I am years old. So I am can blend, as always, to I'm. I'm. Bingo. I'm how old? Now, it depends on how old you are. Me, I'm 40. Okay. So I'm full. Well, that doesn't work. How about I'm 30? I'm I'm 30. I'm 30. That would blend. How about I'm 25? I'm 20. Nah, it doesn't blend at all, does it, right? Our only blend so far has been I'm. And maybe, depending on your age, you might be able to kind of connect through sound, like vibration, to the next word. So let's practice. I'm 40 years old. Ooh, there's a blend right there. Did you hear it? Years, years old, years old, zold, Z-O-L-D. We can connect it that way. Years old. Cool. So we have I'm as a blend and years old as the ending. So let's put it all together. I'm 37 years old. I'm 25 years old. I'm 40 years old. I'm 69 years old. Hmm. Now, our fourth sentence is I work as a teacher, right? So I work as a teacher. I work as an architect. So remember, the article has to change. So what can we blend? How can we smooth things out? So I work, kind of. I work. The big one is I work as, work cas. I work as. I work as. Mm. I work as a teacher. I work as a nurse. I work as a doctor. See how we're getting nice and smooth here? I work as a principal. Cool. So we can do that. Now, how about Anne? I work as an architect. I work as an engineer. An engineer. An architect. So if it's a vowel, which it should be, right? It's going to blend beautifully. An architect, narchitect, a narchitect, right? An engineer, ninja, an engineer. I work as a ninja, That's not an. An engineer, an engineer. Cool. Repeat after me. I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher. A teacher. I work as a teacher. Beautiful. I work as a teacher. I do. I'm teaching you. I'm helping you. Now let's move on to our fifth sentence, which is the answer to what do you like doing? What do you like to do? Oh, I like playing. So the question is, what do you like doing? I like playing soccer, right? Or football. I like playing football. I like playing football. Now, how can we blend this? I like, just like before, I like I like play. Oh, I can kind of blend that, right? Like playing. I 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 like playing football. I like playing basketball. I like playing baseball. I like playing cards. I like playing the violin. Okay? I like playing. I like playing. Cool. Nice and easy. Now, let's go on to our sixth question. Well, the sixth sentence, which is an answer. So, what can you do? Or something like this. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak English. Can we blend that? I can. I can blend that, right? I can, I can, I can speak. I can speak. Ooh, it all becomes one, right? I can speak English. I can speak Spanish. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak Chinese. No, I can't. I can speak Korean. A little bit, right? I can speak. I can speak what? What can you speak? I can speak Spanish. I can speak Spanish. Remember, we're not questioning it. I can speak Spanish. That's a question. This is an answer. I can speak Spanish. I can speak Spanish. I can speak English. And now I think you can speak English a little bit more fluently, a little bit more smoothly. If you have any questions, let me know. Simple questions, and I'll give you a simple answer, right? So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll try and help you out. But I will see you for the next lesson, which is lesson number 5, talking about likes and dislikes. So I'll see you for that next lesson, okay? We're going to smooth everything out and make you sound way more fluent. Goodbye.